Alright guys, it's me again, and this is our the third video of the real world hacking scenario. So we got here just two Linux machine before, and it will be equal to here to Windows machine. How we can hack the Windows machine and how we can to lateral movements, how we can upgrade our shell to root. So administrator. But before to do this, for sure we have to be using here enumerating. So if you're ready, just let's get started. So today our target is equal to intelligence HTTP. So this is a really nice machine. So let's get started here fastly, and I'm gonna be showing you everything here. We will coding here Python, and getting enumeration is really cool. And we will use the bloodhounds. So too many things about Windows machine. Just let's get starting. So we just have to be here. To AD port is open, so that means we got here the web server. So how we can use with web server or enumeration, the first sure you have to be starting here burp seeds, then it will be giving us architecture about this website. Then the second one, you have to be starting here your mmap scan, or mmap scan to default to -sc giving us default scripts here, and the -sb giving our the version number, and it's calling us here, yes, the AD port is open here. So to another important things is the most important things here, LDApp is open here, and it's actually calling us here against or to domain name and the domain controller name. It's actually, so if it's there's something different now, it's not look like useful, then yes. So we got here to SMB. So now to get starting, let me see the home documents and intelligence. Just call here notes.txt. So to get let's starting with our mmap scan results. So important things to here, we can call domain. So is it could be important why we're choosing in AD port is open, and they are using for the server is Microsoft IIS HTTPD. So that means we have to be using here Windows. Then the most important things here is LDApp. So LDApp server for giving us here domain controller name, and then we can use it for the really good enumeration. So the most important other things to here SMB server. So we have to be using here SMB server for the username and get share files is over there. So this is our ending of or to mmap scan. So let's checking for to burp suite here. So we have to be go target for analyzing these websites, and then turn on our burp. But before they do this, you can start in here Dearbuster. So Dearbuster will actually give you here some directory about this website. So let's call it this, and then go here browse, use a share and wordless Dearbuster and directory. No, not this one's actually. So let me choose it one more time. This one could be useful, and extension will be PHP here. So let's start, and it's actually giving us about to here guys to directory file about this website, and we're already gathered here to some PDF file, but we have to be to check it this PDF absolutely. So let me try to be analyzing this website. Then we got here subscribe to receive updates. So this is really important guys. If you are so any enter email address is something like that for a subscriber, you have to be check here SSDI. So it's really important. So let's call it here so we can call this and 7 times 7 and just call here test.test.com and just see what is redirect us. So let me go there. To or turn up is open. Then so we got here nothing. So let's doing on intercept is on, and just check this one more time. Okay, so it's actually redirecting us here to for question mark. So this is not useful. So let's keep this and got here announcement documents file here directly. So let me check it before they do this about this website. At here intercept is on, but it's not working. So let me call this intelligence.hackthebox. again, the proxy is not useful for us, so we can call here open our browser. Then call this name is over here. This could be most intelligently for us. Then we got here something different about this website, so let me forward it. So we got already here about this website, URL directory and architecture about this website here. So we are already getting here to upload PDF file. So let's try to be analyzing this upload PDF file. So we have to be, I think, intercept this off here. Then it's calling us $, or something like that, but we have no idea about this language, right? So now we have two options here, but before the two option, let's just focus on the here directory PDF file to detail it. So they are just used for name is year, and is it could be month, and is it could be day. So if we can fuzzing it, we can get all PDF file here. So how we can do it, just have two options. The first of all, you have to be use your to repeater, no, it could be target. Then just go here and sending on repeater here. So let's calling us here, yes, that's really PDF file. Alright, so we can call it in intruder. Then you can fuzz here. So let me fuzz here before and add here payload marker and add here payload marker 2. So now we have to be check our attack time is could be cluster bump and the payloads. So first of all, we let me check it one more time. Is it could be equal to month? So it's not could be useful. So it's good with numbers and from 0 to 13 because they are just 12 month, you know. And for the second one, we can call again numbers and 0 to 32 here because of 31 days is over here. So if you start your attack here, it will be useful which one is calling here status code just equal to 2000, so you will be accessible for this website, but it's still be so slow for you and it's I think it's not useful. So let's coding here Python file, then we can get all PDF file here. So let me discard it and then so now we are understanding about this website. So they are just using here PDF file to fit to year, month and day. So let's call here Sublime Text and just say get pdf.python. So let me minimize it and just starting at the coding Python here. So we have to be create here day and month, and for the day, let me use for day in range, you know, is day from 1 to 32 here. Then do it the same thing for month to, you know, the months is equal to here from 1 to 30. Yes, so now we can call it here URL. I think let's using here URL because we have to be fuzzing here URL, you know what I mean. So for the get URL here, let's just use that. Okay, then yes, so we have to be fuzzing this URL here, and we are actually calling here d for the range in from 1 to 32 and month from 1 to 30 here. So let's get giving some value of this d and b here. So for example, for the day we can call day string is equal to string day dot z file. Just you have to be calling here too, and let's do it same thing about this month, and month string is equal to string for month, and the zip file could be here to again too. Alright, so we are just to getting function for d and b, and we attribute or value here. Then we will be have to be focused on there to fuzzing here, right? So but we change to be here the month and day. So you just have to be call here month scripts, but it's could be here parentheses, that's for sure. Month string, and then this one could be equal to day script. Yes. So now to this one, the strings will be passing here from to 1 to 32 here, right? So month will be string here to starting string from 1 to 30 here, so it's really cool. Then just get my file name. Basically we just give it here the file name. It's just give it here to output and month. Really? So yes, we have to be using here again month string, and then call it here, not this one, day string. Then just give it this for extension as PDF. So we will use here URL, so that means that we have to be add here import operating system, not really operating system, and import URL lib. Just we are using here request because we just have to just request for the web server, then save it or not. So now it's actually ending, but we try to and accept coding here will be for the useful here, just we have to add this. So try and to URL lib, really URL lib, and request, and then URL retrieve is equal to be here URL and file name, and accept if it's correct, right? URL lib error and HTTP really, yes, HTTP error as e. So if e code to here, e dot code equal to here 404, it means there is no PDF file name is like here. So it's just giving us the here for the 404. So e code will be returning here for URL drive, and the file name is not default here. So then we can call this, but we have to add this print. For sure we have to be using it file not font, and just give here URL string, right? Yes. Okay. Where's our, no, we have to add here. Yes. Okay, the same thing, do it same thing for again here, accept, and exception as e, print really print, and f error to downloading, and just give here URL, and then save it here with e. And if it's correct, so just says me print, and you can get all file. So I think our code is okay. So what we are actually do here, starting operating system and URL request here, and for the EIR range, and call this, and try to be get here to all PDF file here, and you can also use for the try and accept if it's there now. Here for a 4, it's just giving us file not found. Okay, so let me control save it and try to be run this Python 3 and get PDF file is not found. Oh, because of this, yes. URL lib. call this? Yes, am I do something wrong? Oh, line 60. Yes. Let me run this. Where is your lib again? Oh, it's over here, right? Alright. Alright, I think it seems to work. And just check for this home Elliot documents and intelligence. Just check it. Yes, alright, so it works. So we are trying to get here all PDF file of this website. So let me call it ls, and it's actually be logarithmically to plus in here. So alright guys, so our code was working here, and we got here all PDF files. So I think we can turn on our verb, because we did all things about the web server. Just waiting for trying all PDF file to be reading here. Okay. Let me call this again ls here. Yes, there is too many PDF file for analyzing. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we get something important information about this website with this PDF name. Cool, really cool. Let me call this ls. Yes, it's ending here. Now we got all PDF file, I think. But there is too many PDF file. We cannot analyzing them one-on-one. So for to be using it, we have to be changing our extension and give it their output just one txt file. So how is it possible? Let me show you. So you have to be called here for f, and for all PDF file, let's give in here asterisk PDF, and do PDF to tags. You have to be use it, and to have to be called here -f file name equal to here to dash, and just save all of them output.txt, and just give it here done. So let me give here cat output.txt. Alright, so we already got here our output.txt here. Now let's call this Sublime tags output. No, this output for sure. Close without saving. Output.txt. Then yes, so we got all PDF file name here with the txt file. So we have no idea about this language, so we can call here something important things, for example password. Then yes, so we got here intelligence corp user, so for password here, but we have no idea who is this password, who have this password here. For the checking it, just let me show you something. So for example, if you're calling here active tool and just give output one PDF file, then it's called me as creator is William Lee. And the second one, for example, just changing this with this one, and it's called us the JSON write. So now if we can creating if we can save all creator just one file, then we can use your CrackMac AppZack with this password. Then we got here username and password here directly. Then we can check this now which username is equal to here to which password. I think this is really cool. To further do it, just let me run here for app again. In just call here PDF file. Yes, they are actually interesting about all PDF file, but now we have to be looking for EXIF tool, right? So do EXIF tool, and this could be again we have to be call here $ and F. So just filter it for me creator, right? And creator, and then save them all at to user.txt. But before they do this, it has to be save them one-on-one. For example, if they're user to linear algebra twice or more, don't save it. So how we can use it? Just you have to be call here avkey -f with capital F. For sure you have to be run it and save them like that. And for the just save the user first time, not 3 or 4 and 5 or 2 more times. You have to be call here again using here pop and call here again what we are using before to this. Oh my god, really? Yes. And just call here print and $ again and 2, and just save them user.txt and done. Alright, so let me check this user.txt. Yes, so it worked. So we got here too many user. So let me check it. For example, Jason Patterson is here. Oh, it's already here again? Really? Oh, it's not cool. I don't know why it's not working. So can we check this here to cat user.txt for sort -u? I think will be work to user one.txt. Let me save it here again. Cat user pseudonym tags user one.txt here. Yes, I think it's work. The William Lee is over here. The again William Lee there. Now there is no. So yes. So what we have to be get here? We actually get here, guy. So let me make there here file, for example, and just cp user.one.txt and here to file. So let me go file here. Then we got here user1.txt, and the second one is important things here. So we got password of them. So how we can use it now? Just call here CrackMap exec. So CrackMap exec will giving us so which user has this password of the SMB. So let me use it CrackMap exec here and call it here SMB intelligence dot hack the box. We have to be called and -u user1.txt and -p. Just give this password what are you get before. So let me copy it and paste it here directly. It's just we are starting here or brute force attack. Alright, so we got here the username and password, guys, so it's really cool. So let's call this, our username is Stefani Molina. Then we can call this for SMB here, SMB client, and then dash L. You have to be just looking for shares here. Intelligence dot hack the box, and then dash user is, it could be capital U, and just call this Funny Molina. And the password, you have to be give this password here. So just let me paste it here. Then we got here two shares for us. Is one, first of all is IT, and second one is user. I think we can call here to IT. First of all, just let me go IT. Just give you here 2 backslash and call. Alright, so let me go here user. My finger just hit onto U and just deleting dash L for the password. You can paste your password again. Then yes, or we accesses their SMB server here directly. Just let me call here to ls. Then we got here something different. Who calls name is Ted Graves, public, all user defaults, the administrator, and too many things to here. It's look like not useful for us, so just let me change it with IT. Then maybe we got here two different things at IT. Then we got here DOM detector PowerShell 1. So just let me get this. Okay. We can call here Control C and cat DOM detector the PowerShell 1. So try to be understanding what is working for us to here. So import module Active Directory. So where is the running Active Directory? It's run on the LD app. So we got here before LD app, right? All right. So they are calling us Active Directory. Daemon controller name is equal to intelligence.hackthebox. So then send me. Alright, so I actually understanding something, but we can ask this the ChatGPT here to for more detail. Oh, it seems like you are attempting to check status of web serving PowerShell script scheduled run every 5 minutes. There are a few issues with your scripts, and I will be provide some corrections and explanation below. Missing try block. Your try block is empty, which means it doesn't contain any code executed. Alright, so the ChatGPT is really fucking, helping us here. Okay, then we can call it here try. Okay, to incorrect if condition in the if condition you have used status code is 200, I think it's not useful. Then it will really useful for us. The catch block is generally good practice to log errors. So added this missing condition try to block. So if we can call here request status code is equal to 200 and or to URI call also here invoke web request the user default credential. Oh my goodness. Yes, now if we can request here, then it will be giving us invoke request for use default credential for Ted Graves. Alright, I understanding. Now, if we can request it here, it will giving us use default credential here for Ted Graves. So, let me locate DNS tool.python. No, there is no, so it's time to be installing it. DNS tool.python file. Okay, just go there. I feel like we can install it. No way. What the hell? Let me install it, Home Elliot. No, let me just install here. Doesn't matter, I think. For sure, it could be not this. The Kirby Lakes could be directly. Bro, what the fuck? I feel like really blind right now. You know what I'm saying? Really? Thanks, man. Hey, man, thanks. I'm really appreciated for this. So just delete all of things here. Then we can call control copy and git clone. Go here Kirby Lakes, and we got here dnstool.python file. I think this will be useful for us. Then why we are using here to DNS tool, so you can read it why we are using here DNS tool Python is add, modify, and delete active directory intelligent DNS records via LDAP. So you know we are working on LDAP, so you can check it on Down Detector PC, and we have to be using here DNS tool for request it here directly. So for the getting information to credential about the stat graphs, I think we have to be called here sudo responder -i for tune 0. So we have to be calling here -I, right? Yes. Then we can run here dnstool.python. So let me run this Python 3 and dnstool.python, and -u is could be equal to here what we are getting here before, intelligence and Tiffany Molina. So let me call it here intelligence. We have to be using here / and Tiffany Molina. Yes, and password. For the password, you know, we got here again to call it here intelligence corp user. Okay, then a at -r, just call it here anything. Let me call linear, so we can call it here web, for example, because we are trying to be getting here web, and -d, and just give your IP addresses here directly, and 10.10.87 for the call it here IP addresses of this website, so we have to be use it. Where we are check this is over there, right? So let me check this, and why is not working? Am I got here something wrong? I don't think so, but okay. So I don't know where is wrong here. Just let me check here. DNS tool -intelligence. Now here, the Tiffany Molina. Yeah, I think this all one is okay. I don't know, but Tiffany Molina, yes, I think it will be useful. intelligence. Oh, I got something wrong here. I don't know. Nope. Okay, dash. So someone use here dash dash action at. So okay, let me call it here. Action at dash dash record to web linear, and then dash dash data. I think we have to be give our data name is called 10.10. And or IP address, and dash dash type a intelligence.htp. Okay, I don't know, invalid credential got here v wrong. Is this something wrong for password? I don't think so. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh shit. Or password was not correct. Yes, I don't know where it's coming here. 0. Really? Then I think it will be work. Now it's not still work, but bind is okay. Let me call here this one again. So we have to be waiting here, but as it could be maybe we can get something wrong. So is it have to be useful here DNS tool sufficient, action at record web linear dash data, call here the intelligence dot here. So I don't know where is the bind is okay. The bind is okay, you know what I'm saying? But otherwise so let me use here Python intelligence Fanny Molina and dash password is okay. Okay, just let me delete them all and just paste it here, and dash a at dash r as it could be we can request it web mail, for example, domain to intelligence.htp and dash data, call it here. So we have to use dash dash data, right? And then call your IP addresses here, and for to here you have to give it this IP addresses of the server. Yes, I think it's now okay to working. I don't know where is the wrong, but now is our requested will work. Okay, it's really cool. Now we have to be waiting for Ted Graves' credential is over here. So for the responder dash I is actually giving us hash for the user, but it has to be waiting here because it will be take time too much. So you have to be maybe waiting here again. Let me check it. There is no, let me sending it one more time. it's not look like to be here. Record already exists. Okay. So we just have to be waiting here Mr. Taddy's hash of password. So how is responders actually work? Alright, so you have to be just waiting here. I don't know why it's take a time too much, but it has to be ending here. I don't know if it's there some. Yes. Alright, it's yes. Alright, guys, it worked. So we got here Tad Gray's hash of password. Just wait to 1 or 2 seconds, I think. Skipping previously captured hash for intelligence Tad Gray's. Then we just have to be waiting for it. So let me go back, and then we will save it or hashes here. I don't know. Let's do it. Are we got here? So let me sending one more time, but it's nothing. Okay. Alright, so it will take time too much, guys, and it will be useful for us, but it's not useful for me. I think Mr. Taddy, we can call it a name, and this hash will giving us for the. So let me just sudo responder dash I then zoo. Then we can call here a think dash a. Okay. And just send it one more time, but there is no meaning to be waiting here. Then we can just changing our request here. Just call here to make their Bloodhound. So Bloodhound is definitely using for the hacker to analyzing some company information. So let me go Bloodhound here. So it will be useful for us, I think. Then just give it here Bloodhound name is how we can call it. Now it will be useful how we can call Bloodhound. Is Bloodhound-Python will work here? Is this. So before they use it, you can maybe wanna be start here sudo neo4j console. Okay, Bloodhound Python and then -c all and then -u equal here Tad Graves and -p you have to be giving your Mr. Taddy for password like that. And -t intelligence.htp you just have to be giving your domain name here, and -dc is calling here to domain controller, or domain controller is equal to here intelligence.htp, and -nc we have to be give here to IP address of this server, then --disable. It's not actually necessary, but wanna be using here disable for pooling. You can use it for to disable to some this not useful information, and dash this DNS time and give it here timeout for DNS time, and just for example could be here 30. Just let me say here DNS time mode was not work. So okay, it doesn't matter because that's necessary. So we got here one domain in Forest and two computers, and connecting to here LDAP server is DC Intelligence Hack the Box font 43 user and 55 groups. Too many things to here. Now we have to be analyzing, and you know what I'm saying. I don't know why it's not still working, but it has to be working here, bro. I don't know. I know it's already exists, but it has to be working here. So yes, and we got here too many JSON file. Now we have to be analyzing it on Bullet. So let me start here, Bullet and to log in here and uploading data with Bullet. So let me delete it out, delete this for sure, and upload here data. Okay, to go home, Elliot documents, and where we have to be go, intelligence, Bloodhound, and check all JSON file. Alright, so upload will be completed here. Okay, so I think we can close it. And just call here Tad Graves. So then in the effective input GPOs, so what does it mean? Just let me use it. Tad Graves can contains user intelligence.htp, and it contains to default domain polyshy. I think it is not useful for us, so delete all of things here and just call it here Tad Graves one more time. Oh, really? Okay, let me call here Bloodhound again. Again, we have to be, I think, uploading this JSON file here. Alright, so let me go here, Tad Graves intelligence.htp, and just go node info, reachable high value targets is 0. So it's just giving us here contains, and it's giving us Tad Graves intelligence.htp, and we can go here analyze, and the shortest paths high value targets will be useful for us, I think. So okay, the administrator is here, and how we can access is here administrator. Just give it here the way. So okay, so for the administrator we can use here for the account operator to call it here domain admins. So then we can start here domain admins with to administrator. So it's look like we need to here gms a dumper.python file. So let me call here and just install it on our file, just like that. So let me go back and git clone gmsa active directory dumper, just call this. So could be here anything we have to be installed it. Is it could be pip python, so pip3 and dash install dash r txt file. So let's call python3 and gms.dumper.python and dash u, just give this tat grace and then dash password, or password is equal to Mr. Taddy, and dash t give your intelligence.htp. So for the domain, but definitely we have to be called here Python. So yes, so we got here too many information about services in it here. So it will be useful, but which one has to be useful for us to understanding it? Just could be useful this one because they are creating here IS26, then it will be look like not useful for us. So if we got here services in it, then we can call locate get st.python. Yes, it's on the is over here. I think we can use it. So let me run this on getct, and then we have to be calling here intelligence.htp and then services inet. Call here the name $, right? It is. Then dash cpn, just have to be given here www and dc.intelligence.htp and dash dash. Here the hashes, just give hashes what you or got before. So we got hashes is equal to this one, right? So just let me give here and then dash impersonate for administrator. Cache file is not found. Am I got something wrong here again? The Kerberos staging error, KDC error as principal unknown, clean not found Kerberos database. So that means we are at the wrong way for it. I don't think so, but let me check this. Call here something wrong, but let me use different methods. Python 3 again. which one is not useful could be here -dc -ip, just give IP addresses of the server -cp, and we can call www.dc.intelligence.htp and -hashes, just give your hashes here. So we got hashes of here to equal that, right? Okay. And yes, it could be impersonate here for administrator and call here intelligence.htp for user services inet. Okay, just let me send it to, so we can call here to $. Alright, so we got here something wrote about it. So I think it's to be get here something about the web server. So we got here two user, and who calling is the first of all to Ted Graves, and the second one is Tiffany Molina. I think it's seems like it's useful for you, and this is the end of the video. I'm really appreciating watching this video, and see you again. Please subscribe, I really need this.